Rainbows. Those ethereal arcs of color that grace our skies, often after a passing storm. They appear like magic, painting the sky with a spectrum of colors that seem almost otherworldly. They captivate our senses, evoke a sense of wonder, and remind us of the beauty inherent in nature's grand design. From children to adults, rainbows have a universal appeal that transcends age and culture. But have you ever stopped to ponder the science behind these mesmerizing displays? What exactly causes these vibrant arcs to appear in the sky? How do these fleeting masterpieces of light and water come to be? The answer lies in the intricate dance of light and water droplets. Rainbows are not merely decorative elements of the natural world. They are a testament to the complex interactions between sunlight and raindrops. They are tangible evidence of the fascinating interplay between light, water, and our atmosphere. Each rainbow is a unique phenomenon, shaped by the specific conditions of the moment. They are optical illusions, visible only when we are positioned with the sun at our backs and a curtain of water droplets in front of us. This precise alignment is crucial for the rainbow to reveal itself. The formation of a rainbow hinges on a sequence of optical phenomena: refraction, reflection, and dispersion. Each droplet acts as a tiny prism, bending and splitting the light into its constituent colors. These processes, working in perfect harmony, transform ordinary sunlight into a breathtaking spectacle of color. The result is a radiant arc that can vary in intensity and size depending on the conditions. Join me as we delve into the science behind these celestial canvases, unraveling the secrets that paint the sky with such ephemeral beauty. Together, we'll explore the magic and the science that make rainbows one of nature's most enchanting phenomena. To comprehend the magic of rainbows, we must first unravel the secrets held within sunlight itself. Sunlight, which appears so simple and uniform to our eyes, is actually a complex and fascinating phenomenon. We perceive sunlight as white or yellowish, a constant and familiar presence in our daily lives. Yet, concealed within this seemingly homogeneous light lies a hidden spectrum of colors, each contributing to the light we see. This spectrum, invisible to the naked eye, can be revealed through a simple prism. A prism acts as a key, unlocking the vibrant array of colors hidden within the light. When sunlight passes through a prism, it undergoes a process called refraction. This bending of light is what allows us to see the individual colors. Refraction is the bending of light as it travels from one medium to another, in this case, from air to glass and back to air. This change in speed causes the light to bend. Crucially, different colors of light bend at slightly different angles. This is because each color has a different wavelength. This phenomenon, known as dispersion, causes the colors within the white sunlight to separate. Dispersion is what creates the beautiful spectrum of colors we associate with rainbows. The result? A breathtaking display of colors, arranged in a specific order: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. This sequence is always the same, a testament to the consistency of nature. This is the visible spectrum, a testament to the fact that white light is not as simple as it appears. It is a beautiful blend of all these colors. It is a composite of all these colors, each with its unique wavelength. Together, they create the light that illuminates our world, revealing the hidden beauty within. Now, imagine countless tiny prisms suspended in the air raindrops. These minuscule spheres of water act as miniature prisms, refracting, reflecting, and dispersing sunlight to create the awe-inspiring phenomenon we call rainbows. When sunlight strikes a raindrop, it is first refracted as it enters the water droplet. The different colors within the sunlight, due to their varying wavelengths, bend at slightly different angles. This is dispersion in action. The light then reflects off the inner surface of the raindrop. Finally, as the light exits the raindrop, it undergoes a second refraction, further separating the colors. This dispersed light, traveling back towards our eyes, forms the arc of a rainbow. The angle at which the light exits the raindrop determines the color we perceive. This process is not limited to a single raindrop. Countless raindrops, each acting as a tiny prism, contribute to the formation of a rainbow, creating a continuous arc of color across the sky. Rainbows, with their ephemeral beauty and celestial allure, have captivated humankind since time immemorial. These natural wonders, appearing as if by magic, have inspired countless stories, myths, and legends across the globe. Their fleeting presence in the sky, often after a storm, has led to their association with hope, renewal, and divine favor across numerous cultures and throughout history. The sight of a rainbow often brings a sense of peace and wonder, reminding us of the beauty that follows turmoil. In ancient Greek mythology, the goddess Iris, personifying the rainbow, acted as a messenger between the gods and mortals. She was believed to travel on the rainbow, delivering messages from the divine to the human world, symbolizing communication and connection. Her colorful arc across the sky symbolized a bridge between the heavens and earth. This imagery of a bridge has been a powerful symbol in many cultures, representing the link between the spiritual and the physical realms. The Norse people envisioned a rainbow bridge, Bifrost, connecting the realm of mortals, Midgard, to Asgard, the abode of the gods. This bridge was seen as a pathway for the gods to descend to earth and for mortals to ascend to the divine. In Judeo-Christian tradition, the rainbow holds a prominent place as a symbol of God's covenant with Noah after the Great Flood. It serves as a divine promise that the world would never again be destroyed by floodwaters. It represents a promise of hope and a reminder of God's mercy. This powerful symbol has been embraced in various forms of art, literature, and religious teachings. This biblical narrative has solidified the rainbow's association with hope and new beginnings in Western culture. The rainbow continues to be a symbol of optimism and renewal, inspiring people to look forward to brighter days. Across diverse cultures, rainbows have been woven into mythology, folklore, and religious beliefs. They are seen as omens, messages, and symbols of transformation and change. They serve as potent symbols, bridging the gap between the celestial and the earthly, the divine and the human. Rainbows remind us of the interconnectedness of all things and the beauty that can emerge from even the darkest of times. Throughout history, rainbows have inspired countless artists and writers. From paintings to poetry, the vibrant spectrum of colors has been a symbol of hope, beauty, and even mystery. Famous works like John Constable's Salisbury Cathedral from the Meadows and William Wordsworth's poem My Heart Leaps Up capture the essence of rainbows, reflecting their impact on human creativity and imagination. Now let's delve into the fascinating science behind rainbows. When sunlight enters a raindrop, it slows down and bends, a process known as refraction. Then, inside the droplet, the light reflects off the back, and as it exits, it refracts again. This double refraction and internal reflection cause the light to spread out into its constituent colors, forming that beautiful arc we see in the sky. The angle at which this happens is typically about 42 degrees. Did you know that no two people see the same rainbow? Each person's perspective creates a unique rainbow just for them. Also, rainbows are actually full circles, but we usually see only a semicircle because the ground obstructs the view. And here's a fun fact. Sometimes you can see a double rainbow where a second, fainter arc appears outside the primary one, with the colors reversed. Rainbows are more than just a meteorological phenomenon. They are a bridge between beauty and science. They remind us of the wonder and complexity of nature, blending art and physics in a way that captures our imagination. Whether you're marveling at a rainbow after a storm or reading about them in literature, they continue to inspire and fascinate us. So next time you see a rainbow, take a moment to appreciate the incredible interplay of light and water that creates this magical spectacle.